Hello everyone, welcome to RenitNMomTales. My name is SHIKHA Goplani and today's video is all about newborn babies milestone development, as it's a very big area to be covered. So we decided to come up with a series for every month. So the first video will be 0 to 1 month. And before starting the video, just a quick reminder that every baby is different and every baby development is different. So if you don't find the same development as per the months or days we are providing or we are telling you, so please don't worry. Every baby is different, so it's okay to see the development little late or little earlier. But if it's too late to see the development, please do concern to your doctor about the development. As a parents, we all know milestones in the baby's development in first 1 year, like 0 to 1 year, is very important. So we have to monitor these milestones. It's better for baby and parents, both of us. So let's get started without wasting any time. Just before we start the video, a quick reminder: if you are new to the channel, please subscribe for the regular updates. We are very active on Instagram and Facebook. Our daily updates are uploaded over there. So let's get started. So before starting, just one more thing: if your baby is a premature baby, so you can monitor these developments little bit delay. They will take few more days, not much than that, to be monitored or to observe these changes. That's it. Let's start with our list. On the first, from 0 to 6 months, breast milk is the best milk to be given to the baby. Other than formula milk or cow milk, breast milk is 101 for everyone. And for 1 month baby, 0 to 1 month, a child consumes 650 ml to 850 ml milk in 24 hours, and a child used to sleep for 14 to 17 hours, but in a interval, as he is like 1 month old, like 0 to 1 month, so there is no such sleeping cycle yet developed in the child. And in the end of the 1 month, the child will grow by 1 to 1.5 inches. The height inch will grow, and the weight will be increased by half kg to 1 kg depending upon the child. But just one good tip, that in first month, like 0 to 1 month, child in first weeks reduce the rate because of the fluid weight. Nothing to worry about. From the day 1, the child is born, till the first week he will reduce, but slowly and gradually he will gain back his weight. Next is, as your baby is 0 to 1 month, so his muscles, back muscles, spinal cord and neck muscles is not so developed up to the mark, so you have to take care of it. So while holding your baby, you have to hold him with like both hands or this one hand by giving the support to the neck. And the next is your baby vision development is still developing, so baby can only see till 1 feet of distance. Hearing ability, still the hearing abilities are developing, but baby from birth can recognize his mother voice because as its mother. And come to eyes controlling, as baby is in the age of 0 to 1, so he's trying to control his eyes motion wise and everything. But motor skills, up to 1 month, the baby will start moving his or her legs and hands. He will try to hold his mother hand and like this not the full hand but like this, and when you clap the baby can blink the eyes. And now up to 1 month they start the smelling sense. They have built like strong smelling sense of their mother breastfeed milk. After smelling, babies start developing preflexes. There are 3 types of preflexes. One is rooting preflex, palmar preflex, and sucking preflex. Rooting preflex is important to feel the touch of mother, like skin to skin, and palmar preflex is important to like for holding or gripping the finger, like baby used to start gripping like this. And sucking preflex is important for drinking milk. So these 3 prefixes are very important in the baby's development. So that's it. These are the developments for 0 to 1 month. Just wrapping up this video, a quick reminder, when you have the journey of 0 to 1 month, first few week baby will reduce their weight by 5 to 10% of their weight, but slowly as the time passes they will gradually take that weight back. This weight loss was because of the fluid loss the baby has. So hope you enjoy the video, and if you find it little bit helpful, so please forward to the mommies who need, and let make this family a bigger family. And do subscribe to our channel and do watch our whole series. Bye.